Moved to Minnesota for your family. Now your spouse wants a divorce. That's tough. My name's Matt. I'm a divorce attorney of almost 20 years. We encounter these sort of facts routinely. Now bear in mind, they're particularly tough because you can only get divorced in Minnesota if you've lived here for 180 days, which then gives you a sense of rootedness. Even though you came from St. Louis or Chicago or Denver, and that's where your family is. That's where you guys grew up. You only moved for your spouse's job. I had a case a number of years ago where the husband worked for one of the big box stores and was a store manager, and they'd moved for his job. And lo and behold, no sooner he moved here than got relocated temporarily, had an affair, and the marriage had ended. And she was only in Minnesota with the kids because he'd been stationed here. Two things that come into play. One, the opportunity to aggressively pursue the right to move out of state with the children to relocate back home. And then secondly, the aspect of mindset management. What's it going to mean to be stuck here? What's it going to mean to have to make your life here? Because yes, it was a marital decision and the marriage is about to be over, but kind of like cracked eggs or something. Now you've got to play out the rest of this recipe because you've already cracked the eggs open. For those of you that don't know, my name's Matt. I'm a divorce attorney of almost 20 years, and I cannot emphasize enough how important it is that you have some mindset management around this, because frankly, the longer you're hung up on the fact that you only moved here for your spouse's job, the less you're going to be able to be focused on what needs to be done to give you the very best chance to have your goals accomplished. If you like this sort of content, you want more on this, please like, comment, follow below.